Tell me about Uranus.
The Uranus spherical coin from the Icon Mint. This is a special designer edition, so it's an exclusive version of this coin. They are hand signed by the artist and hand numbered on the reverse here. Out of 100, the last two planets from the Icon Mint were out of 300, so this one's 3 times rarer. Uranus is about the size of a ping pong ball. It is blue colored. You can see the texture on there. And in the reverse, you can see the seal from Barbados. We are about 65, 70% sold out of these already, and they just arrived.